How to recover Duolingo streak. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to restore your Duolingo streak in 2025. Losing your streak can be discouraging, especially when you're committed to your language learning goals. Follow the steps outlined in this guide to regain your momentum and keep progressing in your studies. Actually, to recover your streak, make sure that you have created an account from the start because there are methods to recover your streak like email recovery, phone number verification, and social media login options. For example, I log out of my account so that I can show you the tutorial. So first, open the Duolingo app. As you can see, mine is already open. While we are in the Duolingo app, tap the profile icon at the middle bottom of the screen. As you can see, it asks to create a profile or sign in. Since mine is already created, I choose and tap the sign in button. From here, since mine is, I created an account in Duolingo through Google. I choose and tap the Google button. You just have to do the credentials before logging into your account. I have successfully logged in to my account using Google in Duolingo. Restoring your Duolingo streak is achievable with a few focused steps. By accessing your account, checking for restoration options, completing lessons, and utilizing streak freezes, you can keep your language learning on track. Remember to stay consistent with your practice to avoid losing your progress in the future. Happy learning!